Hello coin engineers and welcome to our channel. Aptos blockchain is one of the greatest blockchains in the world and it's in testnet stage at the moment. To participate in the testnet and get an airdrop chance, you need to download Martian Wallet, which is the best wallet to use on Aptos at the moment. And in this video, we will learn how to download and create our own wallet. Do not forget to watch the video until the end because you shouldn't miss any information given. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents for free every day. If you are ready, let's start. If you want to participate to Aptos ecosystem testnets to get a chance of airdrop, click on the link in the descriptions and pinned comments to open up our Aptos testnet playlist. Then watch those videos to join them. More content and airdrop chances are going to be published day by day. We are tracking the Aptos ecosystem for you and we will publish every airdrop chance to help you win. After clicking on the channel button right there, you can use the search bar, the new Google of crypto. Click on the search bar and write Aptos. After clicking enter, you can see every video about Aptos blockchain. Now let's get back to our main topic. First of all, you need to open this website. You can both click on the link in the descriptions of this video or you can directly type martianwallet.xyz to the search bar of your browser. Then click on the download button at the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, when I clicked on the download button, Chrome Web Store opened and you can see the Martian Aptos wallet. Just click on the add to Chrome button, which is blue colored, then accept this pop-up by clicking on the white button. And as you can see, after finishing the download, which takes a couple of seconds, this page will be opened. If you already have an Aptos wallet before like Fevcha and you want to download Martian Wallet, or if you are just changing your device, you can select the second button. If you select that, the app will ask your recovery phrases, which we will learn in the coming chapter of this tutorial. And if you don't have a Martian wallet, you should select create a new wallet and then click on the continue button. As you can see, Martian wallet will ask you to decide what your password should be. Your password is secured in your browser and doesn't store in anywhere else. So if you lose this password, nobody can save your assets. Do not forget your password and keep it written in a paper, in a book. To sum it up, store it in a physical space where you can easily reach it. After typing your password, if you agree with the terms of service and privacy policy, click on this little icon, then click on the continue button. Now you can see the recovery phrase in the screen, which is a total of 12 words. You must definitely keep them in a physical space because if somebody learns those phrases, they can easily reach your wallet. Those words are the password of your safe. Think about a safe and you store gold, you store cash in that safe. So you don't want to give this safe's password to anybody, right? So those words cannot be given to anyone, just like a safe. Just write down those words and save it securely. And also do not keep them in a digital place because if your computer or if your phone is hacked, the hacker can easily reach those words, then access your wallet. If you have done writing them down, click on the continue button again and we are finished. For the last part, click on the finish button and as you can see, that tab will be closed automatically. Now how can we access our Martian Aptos wallet? To do that, if you are using Google Chrome as your main browser, click on this puzzle icon which is at the right top corner of your screen. After clicking on it, you can see the Martian Aptos wallet. Click on the needle icon which is at the right of it. From now on, you can just click on this Martian icon to open your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is locked now. If you are entering it for the first time, you must enter your password. And also, if you do not make any movements on your wallet for 15 minutes, it will lock itself again. So you will have to enter your password. This is because your safety. Let's enter our password. And here it is. We have successfully downloaded and created our own wallet. You can close this your own DevNet message from here. If you want testnet tokens, just click on this airdrop button and as you can see, free Aptos coins will send to your wallet. If you want to send Aptos to somewhere else, click on the send button. You can enter the amount here and you can enter the receiver address here. Let's make an example. You can copy your wallet address by clicking on this button. After copying it, click on send. And let's say I want to send 2000 Aptos to this receiver. And this is my address, but as an example, I will send Aptos from my address to my address again. I will click on preview and you can see the summary here. 1 Aptos coin will be taken as a network fee from me right now. I will confirm and send. And as you can see, 2000 Aptos were sent successfully. And now let's see the other things that we can do with our Martian Aptos wallet. If you want to see the NFTs that you own in your wallet, just click on the second tab at the bottom side of your wallet and you can see your NFTs if you have some. And the third tab shows you the recent transactions that you have made. And the last step, from the settings part, you can see your secret phrase by entering your password again. You can see trusted apps which you have connected your wallet to. There's a change password tab where you can change your password which you are using while opening your Martian wallet. You can open Aptos Explorer from this tab. As you can see, when I've clicked on it, Aptos Explorer opened, and with Aptos Explorer you can track and monitor every transaction that's been made on Aptos blockchain. And for the last part, you can create a new account in Martian Aptos wallet. As you can see, my first account's wallet addresses last 4 digits are E, 7, F and 4. Now let's create a new one. When you click on this add wallet button, as you can see at the top side of my wallet tab, account 2 has been created and the last 4 digits are 2, 6, 7 and D. Now let's send Aptos coins from my account 1 to account 2. I will click on this and I will copy my wallet address. Now I'm changing back to my account 1, then I'm clicking on send. Now how much Aptos coins that I want to send? I want to send 1000 Aptos coins. Now I will enter here the receiver address and now I will click on preview and confirm and send. 1000 Aptos coins have been sent to this wallet address. Let's check it. And it's easy as that. 1000 Aptos coins have been sent from my account 1 to account 2. The same way you can send Aptos coins to another person that easy. And this is the end of our video. I hope this video was helpful to you and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents that we share every day. And also, you can join our other social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram and our Telegram community. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and be sure we will read every of them and we will answer within a short time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.